In this video, you'll learn how to screen mirror any Android device to your Mac computer. Right now, I'm using a Pixel 9 XL and we are going to connect it to my N4 Mini. The first thing you have to do on your Android device, go on the Play Store and search AirDroid. This app, AirDroid Cast Screen Mirror. Then you click on install.
We are also going to install the same app on our Mac.
Okay, once installed, onto your computer.
Once installed on your Mac computer, just go ahead and search for the same app. You can connect it directly without downloading the app straight from the web, just by scanning the QR code. Or you can download the app. So since we have a Mac, we are going to download the app for macOS. Here it's prompted us to download the app, so we are going to save it. I already downloaded the app, so all you have to do is just to install the app. After installation, this is how the page will look like, where you have to scan the QR code. Ensure you are connected on the same Wi-Fi on both your Android device and on your Mac.
On your Android phone, just open the app. Start casting. Either we can enter the code or we can start casting. So you click on enter the code. You enter the code that is on your device. Or you can click on the small scan icon in order to scan. Allow permission to use your camera while using the app. So after that, once the connection established, you are going to receive a pop-up on your phone like this. Share your screen with the Android Cast. All you have to do is just click on share screen. After, you can exit and use your phone directly on your computer. You can now do everything and use your phone normally. You can open the camera. So this is how you screen share your Android device on your Apple computer. It was Frank. See you. Peace.